right.
Now, we got one of the beautiful women that cuts hair. She got a beautiful smile and conversation, and she working downhill with Homewood, which is an organization that I give 6 stars to in the city of Richmond. If it weren't for Homewood, a lot of these people would cease to exist. So tell me about your skills, beautiful. How long have you been cutting hair?
I've been doing hair about 17 years.
Oh, Lord, a professional. Y'all hear that? A professional. Women do it too, fellas.
That's right.
For you all with the envy and the hatred, women do it better and we did it first, I think. So tell me about you.
I am a salon owner. I'm married. I have 3 kids. And I've been doing this most of my life, and I truly love it.
All right, girl. That's just as beautiful as you. What is the name of your salon?
A New Identity Hair Salon.
And where is it located?
It's up in Chesterfield near Midlothian.
All right. Get the people the address so they can go. Hundreds and thousands of people watch, and I give them free advertisement. You do well.
It's 10711 Trade Road.
All right, in Chesterfield. You all gonna make a little ride, but you won't be disgusted. And she put her hands in your hair, and it will be powerful. You will be touched by the woman that handles the clippers and the scissors, and she's been doing it for nearly 17 years. And go out there and see her and give her some love. Bring family members, kids getting ready to go back to school. If you need your hair cut, do you do pets too?
Sorry, say again?
Do you do pets?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Bring your pets on. Don't let them suffer. Get that little extra fur and all that shaving off of them. Come in and see her. All right. Thank you, darling. This is community activist Teddy Perm getting ready to go over here to this giant fan making all this noise like his clippers. I don't think he ordered his clippers.
It's possible. You know, Anton's one of them folks.
Mr. Antoine, why your clippers humming so loud? Sound like they're saying Redskins, Redskins, Redskins.
Humming championship.
Huh?
Humming championship.
They humming championship. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We had to teach that sucker a new hum.
I think the next time the resident